Hi Taurus, welcome to your January 2021 reading, and in this reading I'm going to be enlightening you about what's to come forth in the month of January 2021 for you. We will also pull out for some, I saw that, so I'm going to take that. I'm also going to pull out some oracle cards and see what the spirit has to say to you. You already have a few cards here. We have the Ace of Cups. We have the card of the Fool, there's the Ace of Wands energy, and there's the energy of Knight of Swords here for you. I feel like, Taurus, there are new opportunities or there are new people coming here. There could be new beginnings in love, or something could also rekindle here for you. I am also seeing some of you Taurans maybe wanting to start your life afresh, or maybe wanting to work towards a new venture. With the Knight of Swords, very much it's like rushing towards the Ace of Wands energy. So I feel like you're definitely wanting to start something new in your life here. Let's go forward and see what other messages are lining up here for you. For Taurus for January, please. We get the Page of Earth. We get the Seven of Fire. And you get the Ten of Water. Page of Earth is the Page of Pentacles energy. I feel like Taurans, you could be learning something new or be very driven to train and learn something new right now. You could also be getting some good news with regards to financial matters, and you may be wanting to do something new, something bigger, something better, a little more challenging from what you have experienced or what you have known and learned in the past. So a new area of study is definitely looking up here for you. You also get the Seven of Fire. Seven of Fire is the Seven of Wands energy. You're being asked to, with regards to a relationship or a situation, whatever you have been dealing with in the past, you're being asked to defend your beliefs and stand your ground. And you're also being asked to not, be involved with every small little detail or person or situation. You're being asked to choose your battles very carefully with the Seven of Fire or the Seven of Wands energy. With the Ten of Water is the Ten of Cups energy. I feel like there is, towards the third week and the fourth week of the month of January, a more contented and a rewarding family life is looking up here for you. And if you've been feeling very emotionally drained in the past, your material needs seem like a far-fetched dream, here they are being taken care of towards the end of the month as well. And you're forming new trustworthy relationships with people and those around you. Like I said, your month is beginning with the Ace of Cups energy, so there could be new relationships or new people coming in here for you. This may not be necessarily with regards to love. This can also be professional connections coming in. Let's see what messages are coming forth from the oracle for you. You get the card of Schizophrenia. I feel like there are a lot of fears surrounding your heart and your decisions at this point in time. But the spirit wants you to know that you get the card of Success. You also get the card of Silence. You are headed towards successful time here because you've done a lot of this inner work in the past. And if you can go back to some of your readings on my channel that I have put up for Taurans, you will see the Taurans have been going through quite a lot, and the inner wisdom, the inner strength they have gained for themselves is very much evident in their aura, in their energy field, and the way they are now dealing with people, the way you are dealing with others now. And others see this as a part of you, see you as someone they need to have close by, they need to have in their circle. You also get the card of Silence here from the spirit, and I feel like you could be wanting to hold your peace, not wanting to react or respond to every little thing here that's taking place in your life in the month of January, and that's bringing in a lot of healing. Actually, it is healing, and that is why you are choosing to remain silent in a lot of issues that you would have previously reacted in. So that's what I get here for you, Taurans. This is a very, very transformative time for you in the month of January 21. and hope this reading helps you. Until we meet again, make sure you give this reading a thumbs up, you hit the like button for me, and also subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. That way you get notified when I drop in a video for your sign. So until we meet again, bye bye, stay safe and take care.